It's lovely to be here, seeing where it's being replanted, to get back to a bit of how it used to be, and hearing plans for the river in this area altogether, and wonderful to all do some planting together. It's a very special moment in this historic place.
To be able to tell a story through the plants that have been planted, but also the restoration of a waterway that has such historical significance is fantastic.
I couldn't tell you how many thousands of plants we planted into that space, but we wanted to create a true riparian space. And it is about sharing the stories, our stories with our children.